Hi guys, in this video we will see how to separate text and number in Microsoft Excel. Very easy trick. You can see John 1998, and if you want to separate name and year, then you can write one by one, but it takes so many times. So if you want to save times, simply manually type the text and place the cursor on the next and press Ctrl plus C, and you can see all the text will automatically be written. Same process, put the number and keep the next cell and press Ctrl plus E, and you can see all your numbers will be separated. So you can easily press Ctrl plus E and separate your text with your number. So this is the very easy and time saving tricks, Excel tricks. You can apply it. Simply separate text from number by Ctrl